Mommy, you're just eating there. Hey. Don't forget to drink lots of water ha, after you eat. Let's go there to that. Look at the cow. The cows are staring at you. You need to give them food. What? You're going to daddy? Okay, you go to daddy. Drink water first.
Okay.
You have to drink water first.
Yeah!
Don't touch it!
Yucky.
It's just a mud and there's a little bit of poop of cows. Yucky, yucky. Go to daddy. Be careful with the cows, ha? Sayon, don't go there. Go on the other side. There, Sayon, get down. There, go there, go there, go there. Where? Sayon, come here. Come here. Let them pass through. Okay?